Hi, hello, welcome. Welcome to Nitin Raj Flutter channel. Today we are going to see T-card in Flutter. T-card image design in Flutter. We can able to design like this using a T-card package. Here I designed a image using a T-card. We can also reset. Here bottom I placed three buttons to replace this. Let's jump into coding. Now I teach how to design this code. Clear the project, start new project or use it in your existing project. For this you must need to import a tcard package from Google, and I used asset image, so I placed images inside the asset folder and I imported the asset. I placed 9 images and I imported asset folder. You can able to create a network image, network cache. Using that you can able to create a network image without saving in your database. Let's jump into coding. Import material dot package void main run app my app. I am going to create a stateless widget first. Name of the stateless widget is my app. Here I don't need this const key, so I delete the const key. Inside my app I am going to create a material app. Material app. Inside material app I'm going to create a home. After that I make debug show check mode banner material to be false to avoid the banner at top. Let us create a stateful widget now. Stateful widget name is home. Here also I don't need this const key, so I delete the const. Return, I must need this to be in safe area. So I use safe area property and the scaffold property. Inside scaffold I'm going to create a body. The body must be a column because it contains many parts. Column, and inside a column I'm going to create children. Make a sized box height to be 200, and I make a T card. First I need to create a list, so I create a list images equal to, and I place assets 1.jpg. Like that I am copy and paste my assets for 9. I need to place for 9 images. In my name of the images are 1 2 3 4 5, so I kept the name to be, and the eighth one is the jpeg file. And I placed 9 folders in list. I already placed inside the asset folder, so only I am using here. You can able to use a network images. Place the network images link instead of these 9 assets. Now we are going to create a list. This list must be a widget, so I use widget. Cards, name of the list is cards. Here I am going to generate a list. Images dot length. Here I am using int index. I am going to create anonymous method. Inside anonymous method I am going to return a container. Inside the container the alignment must be at center. Alignment must be center. and I am going to place a child of image dot asset image images of index, and I use fit to be box fit dot fill. Now I'm going to place the cards at here. Before that, I need to create a controller, tcut controller. Tcut controller is equal to and I need to create a index. Inside cards, I place my list. The list name is cards, and I place a controller inside it. The controller is tcut controller, and I'm going to create on forward method, index comma info. Inside that I'm going to place this index is equal to index, and I am using a set state property. Same method I use for backward also. On back also I am using the same property. Let's save and see what happens in the output screen. Press shift plus F10 key to run the app shortcutly. Wait for the app to run. Now app is finished. We can able to swipe up the images to get another image. Now we can able to change the background color property in scaffold using that. I'm going to change the color of a scaffold property. So I use inside scaffold color to be, I use color to be black because I like black one. Now I place the black. Now I'm going to place buttons to reset and backward and forward these images. I need to create a button for that. For that I need to create for sized box and place a distance height of 20. After that I'm going to create one row. Inside row, if we use row and column means we must need to place many items, so we use a children property, and I use outline button. Inside on pressed, I need to place a controller dot forward. After that I need to design outline button. Child of outline button must contain icons dot side arrow. Side arrow and a color to be red, and size must be 35, and I same copy this outline button and I paste it. In this button we are going to back, so I use on controller dot back, and I use a right instead of right I use left property. Now I'm going to create a button for reset. I use reset, and I use icon to be also reset. Place the semicolons at every end. Now save and see what happens in the output screen. We need this row to be I designed this button to be at front and backward button to be at after this button. Somewhat look like design. Now it looks nice, and I place the reset button to be at the center of this. Now save and see what happens in the output screen. Here we measure a comma, so that's why error shown. And inside the row I use main axis alignment, dot space between. Here it will display like this. Now I restart this app to see the images. Yes, we can able to. When we click on this button, it will automatically moves forward and backward. The button is also working clearly. When we press reset means it is going to reset all the images to backward form. So that simple we can able to create a tcard images in Flutter using the tcard packages. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please subscribe my channel to motivate me. Thank you.